Hello everyone. So what happens to your bitcoins if you die? Bitcoin connectiwe kwi-bank account yakho njenge-ID number yakho, but instead line-password yawo. Usually lama-password e-Bitcoin abizwa nge-key phrase. Amagama nje awu-12. Password yakho le ye-Bitcoin ikunika i-access to i-crypto wallet yakho. Crypto wallet yakho ila kuhlala khona ama-coins akho, which could be i-Bitcoin, BNB, namanye futhi ama-coins adumile. Kodwa mina ngithanda ukufocusa kwi-BNB nakwi-Bitcoin. So, kwenzakalani kwi-Bitcoin nakho if ushona? Well, indlela esafe ongenza ngayo ukuthi uthathe i-Bitcoin yakho, ama-details awo, uwayise kwi-lawyer yakho or kwi-estate planner yakho, and udisclose ukuthi une-crypto wallet. Ubhale u-50% we-password yakho, so to be safe, because ofuni la khona uthole i-lawyer khona has your the lawyer has full access of your crypto wallet. You don't want that. So I advise that you only include 50% of your password your crypto wallet yakho, will yakho, and then the other 50% of your password you can give it to your trusted family member or a digital trustee. I-digital trustee umuntu, let's say for example uyinika mina ngizoyithatha ngiyoyinika i-lawyer yami ngiyoyifaka kwi-will yami. That way i-safe i-password yakho. If something were to happen to you, then i-lawyer yakho isizokwazi ukurequesta i-password, 50% we-password, and then yonke into izokwazi ukudluliselwa kahle to your siblings or your spouse. I hope le video ikusizile. If udinga usizo for this process, you can inbox me on WhatsApp noma ku Instagram.